Greetings. I am Aisha Gonzalez, a third-year computer science student from New York, and I'll be presenting Rattler Connect for you today. Rattler Connect was created to be a professional social networking application for Florida A&M University students and alumni to connect. This application will be primarily developed for mobile use, but can be viable on a computer such as Instagram, LinkedIn, and GroupMe, for example. The functionality would not be limited to mobile devices. However, the mobile version could potentially have more features. This application analyzes users' profession or major and connects them to other users in the same field. The user can then decide to chat with this person, send their resume, or befriend them. Any former or current student of Florida Agricultural and Mechanical University can utilize this app. Students should use this app daily to check the status of upcoming jobs and internship opportunities. Alumni should use this app frequently to post new job opportunities and seek out new employees and/or interns. The scope of this project first started off with pairing people based on their field of work, and perhaps in the future, it could evolve into big companies networking with FAMU alumni and students as well to broaden its usage. There is a large potential for the application to be used by all HBCUs so that major companies can network with users of this background. The processes of creating this app includes setting the scope, user and market research, UX wireframe and prototype, which both included the use of Figma, UI design, which was inspired by Florida A&M University colors and the Meta mascot, software architecture, which used GitHub to define a structured solution that meets all the technical, operational, business, user, and system requirements, and app development, which included the use of the Java language and Android Studios. Here we have images of our wireframe, which was basically how our app is set up. I will run through the app after this so you guys can see the layout of our application live. The technology that we used was the Parse server, the Parse SDK, the Camera API, and Android Studios. Now we will get into the live action application running. Okay, so when the user first opens the application, they will come across this login screen. From here, the user can choose to sign up or log in. What I will do now is I will log into a user I already created. Once the user logs in, they will come into our home screen here where they can view other people's posts. When we move on to the next tab of the bottom navigation, the user will be a part of this group chat here that was already created. So if I say something, the user can see that, everyone can see that the user had sent something. If we go to the next tab of the bottom navigation, the user can take a picture and create a description. Oops. Let's go back. Okay, so you have a nice day today. We'll submit this picture. Once the picture is submitted, it will come up here in the home navigation tab. You see the username, the user's description, and when the post was created. From here, the user can also like and dislike the image. And then the last tab of the bottom navigation screen, the user will be able to view their profile. It displays their username or their first and last name. It will be up to the user's discretion what they would like to view. Their user's job title. So this is basically if the type of work they do. A description that the user wants, a description of the user, and their major or degree field in which they graduated. A number of people they've connected with. So these would be the number of people they've befriended. And the number of projects inside of their portfolio will be counted here. From here, the user can log out and come back to the login screen, which will be the beginning of the application all over again. In conclusion, our team's goal was to create an application where Florida A&M University alumni and students can network. We feel like although there are similar applications on the market, we wanted to cater to the community of FAMU. This application will promote the professional advancement of our HBCU by connecting credible alumni with undergraduates looking for a post-collegiate career. Rattler Connect will be a must-have application amongst the FAMU community. The main problem we encountered while achieving this goal was working on the code individually and then being able to successfully merge the code from GitHub. This concludes the presentation for you today. If you have any questions, feel free to contact one of our group members. Our contact information is included on the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Thank you.